how to connect a USB mic to your MacBook Neo and also how to use it. So first step, obviously, if it's a USB mic, well, it's to connect it. And this one has a USB Type-C in the back, and the MacBook on the left side will have two USB Type-C ports. It doesn't matter in which one you plug it. Normally, the first USB Type-C is faster, but this is for data transfer. Connecting a mic doesn't require a lot of data, therefore you can connect it in either of these. On the screen of your Mac, you're gonna get this window and simply press allow so that the mic can connect. And right away, you see the LED inside of my mic has lit up. If you have a mic without LED, well, just to know, it will be turned on at this moment. To have access to the different settings regarding your mic, you're going to go and click on the Mac logo, on the Apple logo on the top left corner and select System Settings. Then on the left side of this menu, you're going to go down, select Sound. And then where you see Output and Input, you're going to select Input. And here you're going to see which one of the mic is currently active. As you see, MacBook Neo microphone is the one highlighted in gray. If you want to switch to the USB mic, this is the Fine microphone. Yours will have a different name probably. Simply click on it. And right now you can see that it's working properly. And you can set the input volume of your mics, add some gains. Well, you can play with this slider. So you can set it up exactly as you wish. So this is it. This is how you connect your USB mic to your MacBook Air Neo. If you're using different apps to record yourself, you may have to select the mic in the settings before starting. Subscribe, like, comment, and check my Amazon links down below to get more accessories for your MacBook Neo from Amazon.